Our past is a force that doesn't always like to see its end come, and our future is a force that doesn't want us to abort it. By the time I was in my early 20s, the damage, although I was unaware of it at the time, began to reveal itself. It was showing up in my choices. For instance, it showed up in the relationship I was in, which turned into a domestic violence nightmare of 2 years until I escaped in the middle of the night. I had internalized the wrong messages that pain and abuse were norms. I already had a low sense of self-worth, which led me to accept such an abusive relationship in the first place. But the effects of that abuse diminished whatever little amount of self-worth I had left. At the time, I was emptied out, or so I thought, and I couldn't untangle myself from the effect. But the divine does not allow our pain or dark nights to have the final say.